Gathered here 4 more Paragon knives, Asheville steel. So this is actually in my town, they make this. So first of all, we got here, doesn't have a really good name on it. Hopefully it will tell us on a blade. So this is probably the biggest OTF knife I ever seen. Check this out, look how long that is. I probably have to back up the camera. So it's gonna come out at the front. There's a safety, check this out. That's huge. So to pull it back up, looks like you gotta press the button and push it back in. That's pretty crazy. Wow, that is cool. So pull it back in, safety on. Nice. Looks like there will be no problem in this really big hole. Won't cut yourself. So deep enough in there. Look at that lightning stack so you can see the blade. There's a big clip, very soft clip, very nice. And there's a Paragon Asheville steel. There's the name of it. Let's see if there's any other names on the blade. Estileta CPM S30V USA. So this is the blade. So this is actual dagger. From both sides is sharp. This is probably the biggest OTF I ever seen. Is there any bigger ones? Let me know in comments below. This has gotta be the biggest one ever. Safety engaged. Look at that. It's pretty consistent. Locked in. Let's tie it out this way so you guys can see. Ooh. You know what? Whenever you hold the finger, you wanna keep it clear, because whenever you press it open, this will slide forward and hit your fingers. You see it? So that's kind of minus about that kind of OTF knives, because they'll fly forward and you gotta keep your fingers away. It's not like it's going to hurt you or anything, you see it? But it will stop the blade. And so what do you do when that happens? You just reset it. Boom. You see? Same thing if something will hit in front of it. Whenever you try to get the knife out, it will stop it. So just reset it again and it works. So that's kind of cool. Cool example what will happen. It will automatically stop. Oh wow, this knife, you can actually, it'll stop, press it again, it'll come out all the way. Interesting. So yeah, biggest out of front knife, that's for sure. Okay, next one we got right here, Paragon Snapper Blue. Okay, that's a better title in over here, much shorter I guess. Little Ziploc baggies. Okay, this is a little pocket knife, automatic. Now you see there's a button. What I don't like about this knife, it don't have a safety. So that's pretty unique. I didn't even know there is an automatic knife. Pretty tight clip that don't have any safety. That's kind of like weird, because what if you in a pocket and it just presses the button and will kind of open. I don't know. I guess if you don't care about safety, there you go. Don't have the name on the steel. What do you think about that painted blue color? Interesting. I guess it shouldn't press on it, because look, you really have to push it in. There you go. But if it slide, okay, so not every time. You really have to push it hard. But yeah, I don't know. I like safety on my automatic knives. This one don't have any safety, which is kind of weird. Okay, next one, what we got here, Para Art Tattoo DLS. I really don't like the names over here. Yeah, these names could have been a little bit better, but that's okay. Let's see what this one about. Okay, this one is pretty much same thing without any safety, and this one kicks. This one has a really powerful little button spring. Look at that recoil. When I press it, you see that flicker? I really have to hold on to it. Paragon USA AS30V Asheville steel. Beautiful, interesting little knife. Look at that. It's much thicker on this side, flat on this side. There's a clip. Ooh, a really tight clip. Super tight. Wow. Again, no safety on these knives. Interesting. I guess it will not push unless you push it all the way, but I do not want my knife opening in my pocket. I don't know. Just a little bit confused why there's no safety on these knives. And one more. This one is not assisted. This one is a phone flipper. Check this out. This is kind of nice. Soft clip, carbon fiber on this side. Sakura blade Nemoto design. Okay. Wow, that's awesome. That's fun. Paragon knife, something I can pronounce. And this is, what is it? Regular traditional liner lock. Boom. Is that what it's called? Like a phone flicker thing. Oh, there you go. That's how you want to open it. Right here. It flicks it so well. Boom. Don't have to do any kind of movement. It's really smooth. Look at that. Ooh. That looks like way to the side. Why is it so to the side? Ooh, it's a loose. So loose. Why is it so loose? I just bought it. That is disappointing. Wow. Come on, Asheville steel. Also, I got it at Blade HQ. They kind of sent me a couple of used knives. Seems to be. This could have been a little bit better. So yeah, definitely need to be tightened up. Wow, I can almost finger tighten it. That's weird. Without any tools. Okay, that's better. But I shouldn't be able to finger tighten it. Look at that. It's not wiggling anymore. How that happened? Why did I get a new knife and I have to finger tighten it? Okay, that's now much harder to flick it. Yeah, it's not flicking anymore. I can't believe it. I could just finger tighten it and untighten it. Look at that. I use my finger and it's way loose now again. That's funny. I don't know about this knife. It shouldn't be able to finger tighten it. It's kind of gets really tight over here. There you go. That's probably the sweet spot. Still moving around. You see now it's kind of tight. And it doesn't want to fall. Or it gets, when you do a little untightening, it gets too loose. Check this out. It wiggles. What a disappointment. So if I can't believe it, I could just finger tighten it. You shouldn't be able to finger tighten the screw. So wow. There you go. Better, but now it's kinda not so smooth, you see it? But anyways, I really like this one, the biggest out of front assisted knife ever. That's just huge. And I still love this one. I don't know, this one kind of weird that they don't have safety. But yeah, let me know in comments below which one is your favorite.